Customers. They either make or break your business. There can be no business without customers. Every successful business needs a steady stream of both new and returning customers. Every business will strive to attract and retain customers with different strategies in sales as well as marketing campaigns in order to stay at the top of the business. This, to many business owners like you, can be a real struggle, especially with your limited resources and budget. Introducing MoreRewardz, the game-changing customer relationship management and loyalty program platform designed specifically for businesses like yours. With MoreRewardz, you can increase your customer base, skyrocket your sales, and increase your cash flow in just 7 minutes. And the best part? It's completely free, with no hidden fees or terms. Our platform comes equipped with 6 powerful tools that will revolutionize the way you connect with customers and boost sales. The Stamp Card tool allows customers to accumulate stamps and redeem rewards, while the Vouchers tool allows you to create advanced promotional vouchers for customers to collect and use on specific dates. The Packages tool allows you to pre-sell multiple usages of products or services at a discount. And the Referral tool allows customers to invite their friends to your business with a reward. You can also set up a points and redeem campaign with the Points tool for customers to accumulate points for their purchases and redeem them from your rewards category. And the Wallet tool allows you to create your own stored value card and incentivizes customers to pay through the wallet. Setting up a loyalty campaign through MoreRewardz platform is a breeze. Everything is done online and you don't need any additional devices. From registering an account to launching your first loyalty campaign takes less than 7 minutes. Campaigns are instantly customizable. User interface is very intuitive and easy to use. Most importantly, you get to know your customer, adjust your campaigns accordingly, and maintain your transaction records. So why wait? With MoreRewardz, you can say goodbye to struggles and hello to success, taking your business to the next level with MoreRewardz. Sign up now at www.morerewardz.com. Remember, is MoreRewardz with a Z.